How to find random live videos on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find and watch random live videos on Instagram. Well, the steps are pretty basic and simple, but you will need two IDs for it. Now, open the Instagram, and now here on the homepage you'll find profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Head over there, and on the top on the username, if you tap on it, you can add account here. You can see that I've already added my other account and I can just switch in between. Now the other one is the fake account, so I'll just head over there. Now what you will want to do is go live on this account. Now just quickly tap on plus button that you can see on the bottom of your screen and go to live option by scrolling to live, and just quickly go to live. Now it will check your connection real quick and you can see that I am live now. Now on the add comment option, and beside, if you see on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the share option. Now tap on it, share your live to your other account. What this does is it will send your live notification there. And once you have done this, you can just quickly end the live. Now you can see my live has ended, and I'll just discard the video. Now switch back over to my other account, and here on the text, if I go to text, you can see message icon on the top right corner of my screen. And here you can see I've got sent a live video. Now if I open this chat, you can see that my live has already ended. I can't watch it, but if I tap here watch more, it'll show that live has ended. But what you want to do is swipe your fingers from downwards to upwards, and here you can see random lives here, live now. Now just what you want to do is tap on see all option on the right hand side of your screen, and here you'll be able to watch random lives. So this way you can find random live videos on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.